As migrant and refugee women, we know that accessing mental health support can sometimes feel difficult or challenging.
It can be hard to know what services are available and how to access them.
You may feel more comfortable talking about your mental health in your first language rather than in English.
We know that out-of-pocket costs can be a worry, even when you have a Medicare card.
If this sounds familiar,
The staff at the Mental Health and Wellbeing locals are here to help.
this new service supports adults in Victoria to receive mental health treatment and care closer to our homes.
This service is completely free.
It's for anyone aged 26 years and over.
You don't need Medicare,
And you don't need a referral from your GP.
They are being designed to be culturally inclusive and tailored to meet the needs of migrant and refugee communities. You can find your nearest local and make an appointment by phone, online, or just walk in.
if you speak a language other than English, call TIS on 131450.